Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the construction of special quadrilaterals. Exercise 4.5 question number 3. Draw a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. So with the given measures we are not able to construct the quadrilateral because to construct a unique quadrilateral we need minimum 5 measures. But this is a special quadrilateral, that is rectangle, so we can use the properties of rectangle to construct this quadrilateral rectangle. So first of all we can draw a rough figure of rectangle. A, B, C, D. AB is 5 cm, CD is 4 cm. And you know that all angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree. So we can use that property to construct this rectangle. So first of all we have to draw line segment AB of length 5 cm. So take the scale. And mark it as AB 5 cm. Now at B we have to construct 90 degree. Mark this as X. Now join BX. Adjacent side is given 4 cm long, that is the length is 4 cm. So the point to obtain point C we can take 4 cm radius and draw an arc with the center B. So first of all you can take a 4 cm in the compass. Now with the center B you have to draw an arc. The point C is 4 cm away from B. So we took center as B and radius 4 cm, draw an arc, and this is the point C. Now we want to get the point D. For that the point D lies 4 cm. We know that in a rectangle opposite sides are of equal length. So AD equal to BC equal to 4 cm. Similarly, AB equal to DC equal to 5 cm. So the point D lies 4 cm away from A and 5 cm away from D. So first of all with the center A and radius 4 cm we can draw an arc. Now with the center C and radius 5 cm you can draw another arc. Take 5 cm in the compass. With the center C and radius 5 cm draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. This is the required point D. Now we have to join AD and CD. join CD. Now we can verify the measures by using protractor and scale. This is 4 centimeter, that is AD 4 centimeter. You can see AD is exactly 4 centimeter. Similarly DC 5 centimeter. You can see the measure, it is exactly 5 centimeter. Now we can check. You know that all angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. So you can check the measure of angle. Angle A, you can see that it is 90 degree. Angle B we constructed, that also we can verify by using protractor. So that also exactly matches 90 degree. Now you can see angle C, that is also exactly matching 90 degree. Now we can see the measure of angle D, that is also exactly 90 degree only. So the construction is perfect. Now we can write the steps for construction. The first step, draw line segment AB equal to 5 cm. At B, construct an angle of measure 90 degree. With the center B and radius 4 cm, draw an arc which intersect ray BX. Mark that point of intersection as C. Now with the center A and radius equal to 4 cm, draw an arc. With the center C and radius equal to 5 cm, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection of the arc as the point D. Now join AD and CD. AD and CD you can join. Thus quadrilateral ABCD is the required rectangle. This is the steps for construction. You can also draw with these measures and verify your angles and length of the side by using protractor and ruler. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.